So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the text direction here on Visme. So once you have Visme opened up, you have to add some text to your design. So go to the top left, press on the text icon, and just how would I type in the word direction for this demonstration. I'm going to go ahead and just make it a little bit larger so that's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to change the direction of text, actually a pretty straightforward process. Press on the text right here, go to the top left and press on edit to get this drop down bar right here. Then go all the way to the right to where it says more and press on more. Then on the left hand side is the spacing, fill in border, transform, special text direction. You probably guessed it, press on text direction. Now if you want to change the text from left to right, you can keep it the way it is, or if you want to go right to left, you can change it the way it is as well. So it's pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can change the text direction from left to right or right to left here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.